What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Discord.js tutorial. Following last video where we reorganized our whole entire project, made the event handler, the command handler, we're going to continue that little path and we're going to go ahead and protect a bunch of variables that we need to protect to make our bot more safe. So this video is a very short one. Let's go ahead and get started. What I'm talking about is if we actually go into our main.js, currently, our token for our bot is actually stored inside our code with this little string. Now, you don't want to do this because if a hacker gets in, they can easily get the token of your bot by just simply looking at your main.js. Also, if you share this code, like I'm doing right now, with a lot of people, people can easily log into your Discord bot by simply using your token. So the way you protect this is actually using environment variables. And the way you're going to do this is actually go ahead and open up your terminal. And we want to install a package called .env. So open up your terminal, then type npm install .env. This will install the packages that we need. And now we're going to go here into our Discord bots folder and create a file called .env, just like that. And here is where we can safely store all of the variables for our project and all of the variables that need to be stored in a protected area. You don't want to store all of your variables, only important variables. Also, maybe variables that you want to change with an ease. So back in our main.js, all we want to do is require .env. So require, and we require .env, and we're going to do .config. Now, all the way down here, we're going to go ahead and copy our token and create some sort of variable inside of our .env file. So our variable is going to be called Discord underscore token, and we're going to do equals, and we're going to put our Discord token like this. Now, going back into our main.js, in here, all you have to do is to process .env, and then that name of the variable we just created. So for our Discord token, we created Discord underscore token. There it is. And now actually, if we go ahead and run our bot, everything's gonna work. As soon as you see that CodeLine bot is online, that means that the token was successful. So if we do this, CodeLine bot is online. All right, so let's do this for one more variable that I could possibly think of that is good to keep safe or good to keep in a file that you can easily edit, and that is the prefix. So go into your events folder, into the guild folder, and into the message event. And in here, we currently have a variable that's holding our current prefix. Let's actually go into our .env file and create a variable called prefix, and this will now be our prefix. So I used to have a dash. Now I'm going to have a exclamation mark, so I'm changing my prefix. And now here in the message event, go ahead and require .env. So that's the same required that we had here in the main file. And here for our const prefix, instead of doing this string, we're going to do process .env prefix. That's the exact same name as the variable we named it here. And now if we go ahead and run our bot, and go into our Discord server, and we changed it into exclamation mark. So exclamation mark play, it's gonna go ahead and run our command. So it's not the dash anymore. Well, I couldn't spell play. And there we go. So it's easy because now everything is safe in a .env file. And also if you use something like GitHub, GitHub is going to ignore your .env files when you push it into your project. So literally no one's going to have access to this file unless they have access to your computer. Or if you're hosting this on a virtual server, then of course the virtual server is going to have this file. But no one has access to this file outside of wherever you put the file. So there we go. Now you are safe. You can keep your tokens. If you have some other variables that you want to add and protect, then you can easily add it to your .env. Again, it's also super easy to change. If I want to change my prefix, all I have to do is go into the .env file and easily change it. So that can be a slash or money sign, whatever. So that's going to be it for this video. I actually wanted to make this video because it's actually kind of important. And since we are already moving forth in this YouTube channel, creating more advanced bots, and we created an advanced event handler, an advanced command handler, we probably should have a video with the .env files, which this one is it. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys later on my next video. Peace.